In this video, we're going to review the like operator. The like operator is used in the where clause to search for a specific pattern in the column. The where like is used when only a specific fragment or segment of a text or numeric value is known. So it supports two wildcard match options, percent and underscore. The percent sign represents 0, 1, or multiple characters, and the underscore represents a single character. And that will make sense once we go through a few of the examples. Let's start with the basic query. We're going to select start from product table. Now we're going to start searching for items in the name column of the product table. So we're going to where like, where name p.name, name like. And now we're going to start using the wildcard character. So first, we're just going to look for any item that has tube in the name. So to do that, we would put percent at the front and percent at the back. And execute. And now we see we have all items with the name tube in them. So this is for anywhere in the word. So let's try another example. We're going to try to find words that end with a certain character. So we're going to take the same query from above and make some changes. And we're going to find anything that ends with the letter T. So to write that, we're going to write like T. And we're going to write percent before T. So all the characters come before it, but it has to end with T. And let's comment that. So now we have all names ending with the letter T. Now let's do for beginning. And to do that, we're just going to switch the percent sign with the T. And now we should have all names starting with the letter T. Now let's do a search for something that has a letter in the second position. We're going to put second position. And to write that, and let's look for a vowel. Let's look for E. And to write that, we would write. So this is underscore represents one letter. So this is the first letter. Second letter is E, and then the rest of the word with percent sign. So this is for second position. Execute. And now you see we have all words with E in the second position. Now let's look for something that starts with and ends with the letter. Or actually, let's do starts with starts with a letter and it's at least two characters long. So to write that, and let's use E again. So it's going to start with the letter E. And then you have two underscores and %sign. Execute. And that returns everything that begins with E and it's two letters long. But let's try to get rid of that and see what happens. And you see, it's just matching the characters, so we don't have any word that has this many spaces to return. If we take it back a little bit, we'll get the external lock washer returning again. That's for matching character lengths, beginning with a letter. And next, let's do for starts with and ends with a character. So we're going to take the same query and make a change. So for starts with, let's use A and P. So it's A and then the rest of the characters, but it must end with P. And we get AWC logo cap. And we could try that for some other value. Let's try bare balling. So B and L. And we should get back bare ball. So that is how to use the like operator, and we used it for a few different examples. They would be the same input numeric, you just would still be using the same characters. And that is the basic syntax for using the where like operator.